Let's go now.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video where I'm going to do my best to show you the look that I am achieving for this year's 2018 Christmas. So stick with me through this because it was an adventure in itself. I don't want to call this a tutorial because honestly, at the same time I was recording this, I was trying to figure out what the heck I was doing too. So without further ado, here we go. I'm starting with my hair, obviously. And for this look, I thought it'd be really cute to do the two buns on the side and my hair half up, half down, so the rest is down. And it's very simple, it's very easy. Just watch me and do what I do. Or you can do whatever you want for your hair, but this is just what I did. And I thought this was super cute. And it frames my face well also. Okay, so now for the makeup portion, as you can see, I messed up. So I took it all off, started over, and re-recorded this. I'm using the BH Cosmetics palette, and yes, I just bought this. It is very pigmented and very, very lovely. I'm still trying to figure out how to like work with it though, because I'm so used to like drugstore makeup and finding new techniques to like really make my makeup look good. You know, like Pinterest level. So I'm just showing you guys the colors I'm using and the look I was trying to achieve. So if I'm being honest, I found this picture on Pinterest and I was trying to go for something like this girl, but I ended up looking the way I did. So cool. I took the yellow, I took a light green. I started from like the very top, I guess where the transition color would be technically. I also hear that you can do it like starting from your eyelid, working your way outward. I think the technique for the makeup look I was trying to go for is called, why am I blanking? Or I'll insert it in when I remember because I don't know why I'm blanking right now. Yeah, and then that last color I'm taking on my eyelid, it's kind of a little bit more in the blue shades, which I didn't really realize until after it was on my lid. You know how that goes. So, honestly, don't come hard for me in the comment section. I really don't want to hear it because I tried my very best. And it still came out like pretty cool. It was pretty like, you know, it was cool, it was cute. It wasn't like horrid. Like if you had seen the first time I did it, whew, Jesus. But yeah. I then did like contour, like the rest of my face. You guys know the basics. Highlight, concealer, foundation, all that jazz. I'm kind of skipping through this part like more because I didn't want to show you guys all of it just because I was having audio problems. I was having problems in the editing and just like filming was a whole hassle, and it's already now Christmas Eve as I'm making this voiceover. Also, what I did to make the eye look complete was I lined my waterline with black eyeshadow. I added not a wing, but I just lined it with black eyeliner on the top, and I added falsies. So that's the end of this look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry it took so long. As always, from yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Like, woo, 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 woo. You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.